Good morning, Adib. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine. A little nervous, maybe.
That's completely okay, Adib. Learning a new language can feel challenging, but trust me, it'll be fun. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'll do my best.
Great! Today, we'll focus on simple sentence structure. Let's start with introductions. Imagine you're meeting someone new. What would you say?
I think I'd say, hello, my name is Adib.
Perfect! That's a great start. Now, let's add a little more. Tell them where you're from.
Hello, my name is Adib. I'm from Dhaka.
Excellent. But make sure to sound friendly. Try smiling when you say it.
Hello, my name is Adib. I'm from Dhaka.
Much better. See how a smile changes everything? Now let's learn some questions you can ask when you meet someone. For example, what's your name? Or where are you from?
Sir, should I say what is or what's?
Good question, Adib. What's is a short form of what is. It's more common in casual conversations. Want to try asking me a question?
What is your name?
Very polite. But try using the short form this time.
What's your name?
Spot on. My name is Faruk. Now, let's practice more questions. How about how are you?
How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you can follow up with nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well done, Adib. Let's practice a quick role play. I'll be someone new you're meeting. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Adib. I'm from Dhaka. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Adib. Where do you study?
I study at Greenfield School.
Excellent. That was a great introduction, Adib. How did that feel?
It felt really good, sir. I think I'm getting better.
You're doing fantastic. Remember, confidence is key. And don't worry about making mistakes, they're part of learning. Now, let's practice a few more sentences. Repeat after me. I like to play football.
I like to play football.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
Perfect! Now let's try making your own sentence.
I like to watch cartoons.
Great! What's your favorite cartoon?
Tom and Jerry.
Classic choice. See, you're already expressing yourself. Adib, remember that learning English is like planting a tree. You water it every day with practice, and soon it grows strong. Keep practicing these sentences at home.
I will, sir. Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome, Adib. And don't forget to have fun while learning. That's the best way to grow.